Uses of glycerin. It can be used as a cleanser. It can be used as a toner. It is a wonderful skin moisturizer. Applying the diluted version makes hands smooth. It helps retain moisture in the skin and thus nourishes dry skin. It plays an important role in cell maturation. It cures oily skin problems like pimples, acne and blackhead. It is 100% natural and gentle on the skin and thus can be used on infants and kids. Glycerin is non-toxic in nature, and can be used to treat chapped lips. It can be used to treat mouth ulcers. Wash your feet well and apply glycerin on your cracked heels. It works like magic in healing your cracked heels overnight. It can also be used as a sunscreen to some extent. It removes clogged impurities and helps in lightening skin shade. Glycerin also gives the skin a soft and supple feel. Apply a coat of glycerin on your nails after removing nail paint. It prevents them from looking dried up. Apply raw glycerin directly on scars that are especially caused burns, acne or wounds to get rid of them. People with dry skin can apply raw or diluted glycerin on skin. It is way better than those costly creams and parlor treatments. It can be used for skin lightening. It helps reduce wrinkles, thus makes the skin look younger. For more cool videos, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest video notifications.